This message is at the request of the Nintendo company and Glitch Productions. This is not a drill, and this is not a test. Lawyer Kong somehow teleported himself in the SMG4 channel after he corrupted Nintendo, only to have full control of it in a villainous way. He is using the Nintendo creator to try to get rid of the SMG4 channel and characters, only to do it his way, unfairly. Before he corrupted Nintendo, he committed several counts of bank robberies, vandalism, tax frauds, and trespassing. He is also threatening to use the DMCA to end the SMG4 series and characters falsely. If you see Lawyer Kong, be sure to contact your local authorities so we can have him locked up in jail for good. That's all I have to say for this emergency broadcast. Please stay alert.